This plant has been used for much more than just pizza toppings. Historically, it played an important role in traditional healing across many cultures. The ancient Greeks and Romans used oregano as an antiseptic for wounds, a tea for colds and stomach aches, and even mixed it with wine to treat snake bites. It was also rubbed into sore muscles and used to ease coughs and other respiratory issues. In the 1800s, a book called Medical Botany listed oregano as a remedy for supporting menstrual flow, reducing fevers by increasing sweat, and relieving pain when added to oils or lotions. It's incredible to think about how one small herb has traveled through time as both medicine and flavor. And today, we're just starting to rediscover how powerful these plants really are. Have you ever used oregano for something other than cooking? I'd love to hear your story.